The darkFlash DS900WS PC case is an exceptional blend of modern design and natural elegance, thanks to its unique walnut wood accents and tempered glass side panel. With its mesh front panel, this case is engineered to offer superior airflow and cooling, accommodating up to a 360mm radiator for optimal thermal management. It comes pre-installed with 4 ARGB PWM fans, which not only enhance the visual appeal with vibrant lighting, but also ensure efficient thermal regulation. The DS900WS is highly accommodating for high-end builds, supporting graphics processing units up to 425mm and CPU air coolers up to 170mm. Connectivity is a breeze with the inclusion of 1 USB Type-C and 3 USB 3.0 ports, making it easy to connect peripherals and transfer data swiftly. darkFlash provides peace of mind with a 1-year assurance on this PC case, ensuring product quality and customer satisfaction.